Okay, listen, I've been in this industry long enough to know that good training costs money. And for small businesses, money's always tight. But what if I told you there's a way Massachusetts contractors can get their residential system design training completely reimbursed by the state? Here's what most HVAC contractors don't know. Every time you pay unemployment insurance in Massachusetts, you're funding a training program designed to come back to you. It's called the Massachusetts Workforce Training Fund. And it's sitting there waiting for contractors like you to use it. I started in HVAC over 25 years ago, and I wish someone had told me about opportunities like this back then. The state literally wants to pay for your professional development. And the process is straightforward, but you need to plan ahead. So, first, you should enroll in the HVAC ProBlog in-person training series. That's right. Our in-person training has been pre-approved with the Massachusetts Workforce Training Fund Express program. I did the legwork for you to make this painless as possible. No more excuses. We're talking half-day trainings that cover manual J and S, another half-day for manual D duct design and diagnostics, and even a live virtual code update, all taught within a 1-month period. Second, if you haven't already done so, get your certificate of good standing from the Massachusetts Department of Revenue and a certificate of compliance with the Massachusetts Department of Unemployment Assistance. Don't worry, I put the links below. These can take about a week or so don't wait. Third, apply for funding at least 21 days before the training starts. This is critical. The state provides no exceptions. Of course, fourth, you complete the training and request your reimbursement. The state will cover up to 100% of your training costs if you have 50 employees or fewer. But even larger companies with 51 to 100 employees will get 50% of that back. Now, here's why this matters beyond just saving money. These aren't just any seminars. We're talking about the foundation of proper system design. Manual J site survey, manual S equipment selection, and manual D duct design and diagnostics that actually work in the field. I've taught ACCA courses across New England, and I've seen what happens when contractors skip proper system design training. Callbacks, unhappy customers, and equipment that doesn't perform. This training prevents all of those problems. Oh, here's something critical that you need to know. As of April 2025, the Massachusetts Workforce Training Fund Express program was temporarily suspending new applications. They were honoring those existing approvals, but they're not taking new ones until at least July 2025, which is their new fiscal year. So this is your next chance before they close for another year. This doesn't kill the opportunity, it just makes timing everything. So here's what you need to do right now. Of course, sign up for my training this fall. I too have a maximum amount of seats in our training partners' rooms. When the Workforce Training Express Fund program reopens, and it's gonna reopen, you wanna be first in line. Remember, you need to apply at least 21 days before the training starts. So when they announce the restart, you'll have a limited window. You can obviously start gathering your paperwork, get that certificate of good standing, and organize your business documents. When the funding opens back up, you'll be ready to move fast. Or maybe you want to register for our seminars anyway. Even without the reimbursement, or if you're in a neighboring state, this training pays for itself in better installations, fewer callbacks, and happy customers. Been around long enough to know that contractors who invest in proper training are the ones who build sustainable, profitable businesses. The Massachusetts Workforce Training Fund just makes that investment easier. I'm looking forward to seeing you this fall in person across Massachusetts. Sign up today.